I'm from Toronto, Canada. Growing up in Toronto was pretty nice, actually. I really liked the city. I did play a lot of video games. I also, though, compared to now, played a lot of sports like basketball, soccer, volleyball. Anything that, I thought was competitive, I used to really immerse myself in. The best basketball player in the Fusion house would probably have to be me. I may be the shortest one, but I could shoot some hoops. The first game, or I guess series of games that I really got into would have to be Zelda. I had a lot of fun playing that. Myself and my siblings, we would, play together. I would watch them play, they'd watch me play. The first video game that I'd say I knew I was really good at is probably a game that most people aren't familiar with, either Special Force or Sudden Attack. Overwatch was really the first game that I took seriously, in a sense. The first game that I thought, hey, I think I could actually make this a career, or make a living out of this. My family at the start wasn't too supportive of what I was doing, so at first it was kind of hard to convince them, hey, this is really what I want to do. I'm really focused. I'm giving all my attention to this. I'm investing a lot of time into it. You guys just have to trust me and hope that it works out. So having the feeling that I'd be a part of the inaugural season of the Overwatch League felt really great. It pretty much felt like this is what I had been working towards for the last almost 2 years. So for me it was a huge sense of relief, hard work paying off, and I was just really excited and happy to get the good news. The Overwatch League just raises the bar in terms of competition. It's going to be like nothing we've ever seen before for the last 2 years in Overwatch. It feels really great to represent a city like Philadelphia. To be honest, I wasn't expecting them to be a part of the inaugural season of the Overwatch League. So the one thing that I've noticed about Philadelphia fans is that Philadelphia fans can be pretty passionate. So I'm looking forward to, being on their best side.